I'm Maria Brown, welcome back. Well, today we're working on sweet treats. Now remember, hit that subscribe button. Okay, come on, let's go get started. Today we're going to make simple chocolate dessert cups. You need to have a good quality dark chocolate. Now it does not have to be chips. You could also use bars and just melt bars. To make 6 dessert cups, you're going to need about a half a cup of chocolate. So if you want to make a dozen, just double that and use 1 cup of chocolate. You're going to need muffin tins. The only other thing you need is a bowl to melt the chocolate in, and we're going to put it over a pot with some simmering water to melt it. First thing to do is to pop your chocolate into your bowl. I just have a small pot with about 1 inch of water, and that water, we just want to have it at a simmer, and we're going to pop the bowl right over it and heat that over a simmer until that chocolate melts. Now go ahead and spoon in a little bit of chocolate at the bottom. You want to coat the whole bottom. Just swirl it to go all the way around. If you need to put a little bit more chocolate in, then put a little bit more chocolate in. If you want, you can take your spoon and you can help it along the edges. That's all you need to do. Now go on to the next one. Now we're going to go pop this in the freezer until these have solidified. We're going to come back and check to make sure that they're completely solid and touch up any spots that might need a little bit more. Re-chill them and they're ready to go. I'm going to take the chocolate cups out of the container and just slice it a little bit and pull it. Just take it right out of there. There we go. There's one. Do the same thing with all the rest. When you're making your chocolate cups, make sure you put a nice thick coating on it. Make sure there aren't any holes in the edges. And go ahead and put a second coating right inside. You want the chocolate thick so that it doesn't break when you peel them. Look how beautiful that is. Leave comments below and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.